The best mechanical keyboards make gaming and work feel good. Maybe it's the sound of the clickety-clack of a mechanical keyboard that makes you feel productive. There's no denying that as amazing as these keyboards are for typing, they are just as good for gaming. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 best 60% keyboards in 2022 for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. And Pro 2. The And Pro 2 is one of the best mini wireless keyboards for users across the spectrum. Compact sizes are gaining popularity, especially among gamers who may not need as many keys and among users with smaller desk spaces. This is a compact 60% gaming keyboard that feels very well built and has a stylish design that's likely to fit nicely into most setups. It also has remarkably low wired latency, full RGB backlighting with individually lit keys, and you can program macros to any of the keys using the customization software. The keyboard is available in a wide variety of switch options. Take it with you to work, school, or the next gaming meet and connect with ease via Bluetooth 4.0. Enjoy 8 hours of battery life that'll last you the day, as well as fast as lightning 1 millisecond response times that never miss a beat. The And Pro 2 comes in various switch types with OEM parts from Cherry, Gaterin, and Orkyle. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Origin 60. HyperX's Alloy Origins keyboard is one of the most popular peripherals in the gaming industry, but until recently, players could only access the keyboard's top-tier switches, double-shot keycaps, aircraft-grade aluminum body, and built-in gaming features in full-size or TKL variants. Now, it's all available at your fingertips with the Alloy Origin 60. Custom-designed HyperX key switches are balanced for speed and accuracy. They're also reliable, rated for 80 million key presses with no loss of quality. HyperX went back to basics with the Origin 60, removing the number pad, arrow keys, and F keys, and leaving you with the bare essentials. Take advantage of the versatile size by customizing your keys with HyperX Ingenuity software and make full use of onboard memory and game modes to obliterate the competition. Plug in the USB-C, choose your fave backlighting settings, and you're sure to be unstoppable. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Mini. Razer's 60% keyboard lands in at 3 on our best 60% list. For a similar price to the Ducky, the Huntsman Mini offers software customization, PBT keycaps, and a superb linear switch option. Razer linear optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15 up to 30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 millimeter. The Razer Huntsman Mini fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Since it uses the standard 60% keyboard layout, you get a total of 61 keys with it. While the keyboard is a little loud and light, the linear switches are fast and smooth. It's a strong 60% gaming experience. Number 2. Ducky One 2 Mini RGB Keyboard. Ducky is a high-end brand of mechanical keyboards that are known to offer an excellent typing experience, which is also true for its compact 60% keyboards. For starters, you get a total of 61 keys with this keyboard, resulting in a standard layout. But the best thing about this 60% keyboard is that you get Cherry MX Brown switches with it, which are considered the best for typing. To ensure that you get a great overall typing experience, Ducky offers excellent construction along with PBT keycaps. Similar to most other high-end keyboards, this one also features RGB lighting, which can be controlled via Ducky Macro V 2.0 software. The USB Type-C connection wire of this keyboard can be disconnected for better portability. And as you would expect from such a high-end keyboard, it also features a 1-year-long warranty. Number 1. Redragon K552. If you're on a tight budget, say under $50 US, you can check out the Redragon K552. It isn't the most premium mechanical keyboard, but overall the keyboard should serve you well for most use cases. It's a tankless keyboard with clicky Altinu blue switches that mimic Cherry MX Blue, but there's also a variant with linear red switches. Fully compatible with Windows and Linux, the Redragon K552 can also be used with Mac OS, but with limited functionality. Other notable features include full RGB backlighting with 18 different effects, a splash-proof metal and plastic chassis, N-key rollover, 12 multimedia keys, and the option of a white color variant. Overall, the keyboard is pretty good and responsive for gamers, although it might offer higher latency than most keyboards. It's also suitable for typing and office use cases as the keys are light, but they can get noisy, so the keyboard might not fit well with users looking for a silent experience.